In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Audacity to create two custom sound files for the replacement Squawk and Talk soundboard that I've created. The first is going to be from the Mr. Miss Pac-Man machine. It's going to be the death sound when the ghost eats the Pac-Man. That's going to be at 0234 is the file name you need if you're going to use bank 0. The sound itself is 1.8 seconds long. And if you're going to be using this for bank 1, you save it as 0490. And if you're bank 2, it's going to be 0746. The second sound that we'll be creating will be a voice. It'll be another Mr. Miss Pac-Man sound. It'll be 0246. It's when the voice says bad move. It's 2.9 seconds long, and you can see here the other files that if you're going to save it off as a different bank. The first sound effect is the one I found on the web, the death sound for when the ghost eats the Pac-Man. It's a pacman.wave file. I'll bring it in here. You can notice it's in the wrong sample rate. It's supposed to be 44.1, but we can change that in a bit here. First thing you want to do is create a stereo track. And then select the original wave and copy it. And then go to your stereo track and move to the very beginning and paste it in. Then remove the original mono track and then save the project as 44.1 kilohertz. This will resample the waveform. And then export it as a wave file. In this case, it'll be 0234 is the sound file name. And make sure it's a 16-bit PCM stream. Next example, I'll create a voice file. I'll create a stereo track in the right format, move the cursor to the very beginning, and then hit the record button and say bad move. Bad move. Then I'll stop the recording and I'll select just the voice pattern. Copy that and then delete the whole thing and paste in just the sound file. And then I'll export it the same as I did before with the 16 PCM and the right file format. Check out other videos in this playlist. I've got an aid to help you with creating all the voices for each of the pinball machines.